Waki wa Irathi njeru iritanyitwo gukahuthirwo mwaka ukite ni arutwo a thukuru cia junior secondary urugamire gicunji gia kifungu turuma 5 harĩ igana. Hindi ya icera kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Minister wa Githomo George Magoha augite gatagati ga gicunji kia 26 harĩ igana na 50 harĩ igana kia irathi ici ni hindi irekirwo thingo. Riri irathi ingi gatagati ga gicunji kia 51 na 75 harĩ igana ari hindi iragito.
And the best news is that we are very much ahead of time. 76 to 100%, which means another 25% are actually doing the finishes.
Kaunti ya Mandera niyo itongoretie hari waki wa irathi ici na gicunji kia 60 harĩ igana, ikirumirirwo ni kaunti ya Garissa na gicunji kia 54 harĩ igana, Kitui na Siaya ikirumirira na gicunji kia 53 na 88 harĩ igana.
I want to state here, it is actually a shame that Nairobi still has no classroom completed, and that we are going to make sure that nobody plays politics with this classroom issue in Nairobi.
Magoha augite waki wa irathi ici utanyitwo kurikirira ta uria ari mubango wa thirikari, akiruta mukana kuri maafitha aria mehokeirwo kuriha mafundi aria mahetwo kandarathi ya waki wa irathi ici iguru rigie gucerithĩria marihi kuri aria marikitie wira wao.
When the contractor like this one submits his papers, the person from public works should not say, oh, this has not been done, this has not been done. And that will take one day with public works officer and another day with my officers. The third day should make sure that, those documents are brought to Jogo House, where further verification will be done and payment will be made.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.